In the previous video we looked at adding plants to the global plant list. I went ahead and added a couple of more plant species to the global plant list. So now we are ready to add our first point survey. So we can go to the point survey through this menu here, or use the main menu. Okay, so first of all we will be presented with this screen. We have already selected our working directories, and we can go ahead and add a new project. We will call it test and click OK, and the new project has been created. Now we can select it from the list to load it, and here we are at the project main screen. First of all, this is the project name that was selected. We can change this or select a different project by selecting this green button to the right. It will bring us to the same screen as before, but we are not going to do that now. Okay, a few other options available on the screen is to pack our project data. We will be using this when we actually have some data in our project, and the project plant list. Now the project plant list can be used to add just as the global plant list, but local to your project. So you can add plants to this project plant list as you go along, and identify plants on site as prior to actually taking a sample. So we can select the project plant list, and it will display the list of current plants in our project. Now there is nothing currently to display, but we can add with this plus button. What we will see now is the global plant list. So here we have those global plant lists, 10 plants that we added. We can select from here to add to our project plant list, or we can add a new species, which we can do by selecting again the plus button. Let's add a new species. And we select the save button. Now it will ask us, since we are adding this to our project plant list, if we also want to add this species to our global plant list. In this case I will say yes. Okay, so we are now back at the project plant list screen with a single species in the project plant list. Okay, so for now we can close the project plant list, and in the next video we will look at how to start adding samples to the project.